We've got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, we flew down to Baltimore, drove over to Hershey, Pennsylvania, and went to the America's largest RV show to check out this new 2025 floor plan from Forrest River, the 39JD travel trailer RV walkthrough. Take a look at that loft. It's amazing. They have a double loft with 2 queen beds up there. It is so cool. And look at all the windows. This is one amazing trailer. You're going to want to check it out. Huge TV, beautiful kitchen. And if you haven't, check out our Facebook, Instagram, our website, howtohavefunoutdoors.com. Also, our sister channels, How to Have Fun Camping with all kinds of RV reviews, How to Have Fun Fishing, and How to Have Fun Cruising with cruising all over the world. Take a look at all those features and benefits. Forrest River's done an amazing job with this unit. You're going to love this video. Grab the kids. Let's take a look. Wow, what do we got here, Alice? This thing is a monster. It's a huge, just the way you like it. What do you think?
Absolutely. Look at how huge it is. Are you ready to come with me? This is absolutely amazing. Let's go.
This is Campsite Reserve, guys. This thing is colossal. If you're looking for a travel trailer like nothing else on the market, take a look at this. This thing is huge. No question about it. 15,000 on the AC, industry leading large opening windows, aluminum rims, hot water on demand, outside shower, water filtration system, the 39JD floor plan. There you have it. Take a look. Absolutely huge. And take a look upstairs. How cool is that? Campsite features, that's right, we've got it all. Tankless water heater, water filtration system, air fryer, pull-out storage, max size square windows. We got a little bit of everything. PVC roof, bedside inverter, pull-out faucet, staple steps, diamond plate front, trash can storage, shoe storage, outdoor shower, second bath, oversized AC, you name it. Let's go take a look at it. Big monster layout here, guys. And look at that slide out, and look at the back. You've got your own little sliding door with the beautiful glass. Big slide out. And we're gonna walk you inside now. The biggest windows in its class. And we're gonna show you. Are you ready, Alice?
I am. Welcome to my house.
All right, let's take a look at it, guys. Forrest River has done it again, and Alice is going to show us this monster here on How to Have Fun Camping. That's right, guys. We're the sister channel to How to Have Fun Outdoors, and we started this so we could focus just on all kinds of RVs, not just Class Bs, Class Cs, travel trailers, you name it, campers. We do it all, and now we're looking at something I've never seen before, a class of its own. This thing is colossal, right?
Absolutely.
Colossal.
Look at this room by itself, right? You are in a camper, in a van, really?
If you're in a camper van, you're going to look at this video and go, what? But guess what, guys? This thing is huge. So let's go walk around this real quick and show everybody at home. We tend to do our videos a lot quicker. It's not meant to be an in-depth walkthrough like some of these channels. We're not here to bore you. We're here to show you. And we got all kinds of great RVs here at Media Day in Hershey. All the 2025 brand new models. Alice comes from Europe. That's right. We got a European and an American marrying. She grew up in a Class C, loves RVing. We go to this show, Tampa show, and we love showing everybody at home. That's how we started How to Have Fun Outdoors with Travel. But now that channel is travel all over the world. How to Have Fun Cruising. Check that out. How to Have Fun Fishing. Alice is the best fisherman in North America. And we've got this channel, How to Have Fun Camping, with campground reviews too. We do those. A lot of channels don't do that because they don't get a lot of views because they're very specific to a state or an area. But we do it because we do this for a hobby. We do this for fun. So Alice, what do we got? Let's walk around.
Well, first of all, this is a really nice dining area. As you can see, you can sit in 4. There is also a great extension that I appreciate. But the part that I like the most is all windows around you. So you can be here and look outside to a great lake, and everything is magnificent.
Yeah, when I see this, I think of Flo down in Florida, down there in Salt Springs. This is such a wide open plan for somebody that's retiring, getting a lot down at one of the campgrounds in Florida or one of those areas. This would be perfection in my view. But take a look at this.
Great sofa. I love the L shape that I have here. Oh, pay attention to the extension here. So you have a great slide out, so we give you more space. And what is beautiful is that you are actually, if you sit in the corner, you can see anything around you. Where you can watch TV, you can speak with your spouse that is cooking, you can speak with your friends that are playing, and it's absolutely, by the way, very comfortable. Here is the TV with a storage and a little fireplace down here. I mean, who doesn't want a fireplace in the rain? So, over here, a great kitchen. Look at here, 3 burners over here. Nice oven, microwave down here. Fantastic window in front of you. Nice area here for cooking and a lot of storage. Absolutely crazy amount of storage. I love the design that they have here with the sink on the island. Is really convenient.
Yeah, and you've got the undermounted stainless steel here, which is really nice. These bar stools that pull out underneath the cabinet, so there can be people sitting here, people sitting there, people sitting over there. So from an entertaining point of view, this thing is really remarkable. But guess what? If you want some French fries in your air fryer and some cold beer, look at the size of this refrigerator and wine rack. Beautifully done.
I mean, this is double the size of most refrigerators. It's absolutely.
Yeah, this is RVing on steroids, guys.
I love this new layout of the refrigerator. It's very modern. Very nice looking. Here you have another pantry storage.
So there you go. If you're Italian, you can put all your pasta sauce in there. A little bit of everything, right?
Yeah, well done. Well thought.
And here's the floor plan we just showed you from the outside. 39 JD, that's right, with all those features and benefits. So we just walked you through this area. We still got all of this to go, folks. So let's swing on through into the bathroom and also the rear bedroom. That's a king bed. But look at the control systems first. You can see we got all kinds of stuff there, guys. Look at this. Pretty awesome. Everything you're ever going to need, but more importantly, a Bluetooth radio so you can stream your music. We love doing that everywhere. And the oversized AC with the dehumidifier, that is a really nice feature. But what do we got? Look up here. You got bunk storage up on top for the kids to play.
Let's play down here. This is like the common bathroom for you and the guest. So you have a fantastic bathroom with a huge shower space. Look at here. Woo! Very comfy.
Really nice.
And here, nice area for your sink, storage for all your medicine and shampoo and everything you need. And this is the toilet.
Yeah.
So very well organized.
Nice little coat rack up there. Nice LED lights. And I love the floors. The flooring is really nice. These sliding glass doors are fantastic, though. Just gives you a whole different feel than a normal travel trailer of the old days. Big staircase down. And then,
they use the sliding for everything. Look at this
nice
space
pocket door here. And guess what that's plumbed for, folks? That's right. Washer and dryer fits right in there. No problem. And well done with this. Got a nice finish to it. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah. And over here there is separation. So if you follow this door, you go in the master bedroom and master bathroom. And instead, if you go upstairs, you go to your niece and nephews. Okay?
All right.
To the kids' bedroom.
Let's go check it out. You got a step down. Over to the left, as Alice highlighted, you've got all of the stealth storage, and we'll go up there in a minute after we explore this huge master bedroom. This thing is bigger than most houses. I mean, this is crazy, Alice.
Absolutely crazy. What I like is very spacious, as once again the big windows that we described, the colors are really light, very modern looking compared to the other designs. And you have a fireplace here.
You got the TV mount, the cable, the outlets there, very nice. All your duct heating and AC. Very
and
nice.
Over there, as you can see, you have a space for like your a book or whatever you want to store by your bed, and a great storage on top.
Let's give that bed a try out. What do you think, Alice? Big King.
3,
2, 1, go! Wow, look at that, folks. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah, you're going to be going to sleep. Reading lights in the back. Big Camp King bed, and let's look at this storage. What do we got there?
Look at this. This is extremely tall storage. You have hanger space. So you can hang all your dresses and they are really, really well.
Yeah, plenty of room there, no question about it. But take a look at this. We're not done.
No.
We're still in the master bedroom, and they got a master bath. A double sink master bath. So
yeah.
all the fifth wheelers are like, what's up with this? This is kind of, fifth wheel kind of owned this space for people that wanted all this room. But now they got something to tend with this big bad boy, right?
Yeah, look at the amount of storage just in this bathroom.
Wow.
And over here also, downstairs here. And then you have this big shower. I mean, this is a big shower, but also a sit area if you want to relax and just to get, you're comfortable and just stay.
Wow, look at that, folks. Shower tub with surround, level up shower head. This thing is gorgeous. They've done a great job. The quality is getting better. It was crazy during COVID, but from what I can see, the fit and finish, everything for $25 looks a lot better.
Way better.
Way better on everything we've looked at from all the brands. So I think they're hearing the message from everyone back home. Get your act together. Quality matters. Yeah. Because definitely this 2025 models that we're witnessing for the first time here are pretty nice overall.
Very nice. So let's go to check out the kids area.
Yeah, grab the kids at home, grab that popcorn. We're going to go up and see where they're going to stay. Well, one of the things you got to do is check out our sister channel, How to Have Fun Camping. You're going to love this channel. We've got campground reviews all over the country. We do a lot more RV reviews. It's only RV reviews over there. Take a look at this cottage Cedar Creek for 2025. All that wood on the outside, absolutely awesome. How about this one over on How to Have Fun Camping? Your new home, that's right, affordable housing. The Salem Hemisphere for under 90 grand. Take a look at this unit, absolutely amazing. But let's go ahead and get back to How to Have Fun Outdoors in this unit. So obviously they're vested in this. What are they gonna get out of this deal?
Wow.
So let's take a look, and whoa, look at that, folks.
That is a lot
double
of
beds.
Space. Double
Wow.
beds with all their own storage in there.
You've got USBs for 25. You're seeing this everywhere now with the C's and the B's. You got the 110s. But look at this. I mean, if I was a kid, this is dreamland. Look at this. I mean, two big beds. Absolutely awesome. And then if you swing around here, you got all this storage so they can hang out and play up here while you're down in the living room talking with all your friends and hanging out. And the kids got their own little kingdom up here. I mean, it's pretty awesome. So I don't think we've ever ended a video like this before on how to have fun camping, but let's talk about this one. I mean, what do you think? I mean, this is pretty cool.
It's a very cool design. I mean, this is like the paradise for parents, grandparents, and kids. You have all the space, all the storage, all the commodities that you need, and a lot of windows to look outside and just feel happy that you're camping around. Absolutely a fantastic unit.
Yeah, comment down below. Tell us what you guys think of this. And what do you think of this versus a fifth wheel? I'm kind of curious for all the fifth wheel people. What do you think of this thing? And what's the pros and cons between a fifth wheel and something like this? Definitely comment down below, especially for the people that have been RVing for a while. If you could, definitely hit that subscribe button on our channel. It would mean a lot. And also hit that notify bell so you get all of our videos here on How to Have Fun Outdoors. Comment down below. Tell us what you think. What do you think of this amazing 2 queen beds in the loft? And thanks so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors.